Halloween is one of the most heavily patrolled nights on the California law enforcement calendar. Agencies anticipate impaired driving and respond with extra officers and sobriety checkpoints. When Halloween falls near a weekend, that enforcement stretches across several nights, not just October 31st. People who go out in costume on Friday and Saturday are just as likely to get stopped as those who go out on the holiday itself. Here is a Halloween-specific issue that genuinely matters in court. Field sobriety tests assume normal clothing, normal footwear, and clear vision. A mask can block peripheral sight. Platform boots, long robes, or a tail can wreck your balance. Gloves and props interfere with hand tasks. Face paint can be misread as flushed or altered features. Someone doing a one-leg stand in a costume is at a real disadvantage that has nothing to do with alcohol, and that is worth raising as part of the defense. Halloween parties tend to run long, with drinking spread across 4 or 5 hours. If your last drink came shortly before you drove, your body may still have been absorbing alcohol when you were stopped. That means the breath or blood test taken at the station could actually read higher than your real level was behind the wheel. This is called the rising blood alcohol argument, and it is a recurring feature of late-night Halloween arrests. Halloween is statistically one of the most dangerous nights of the year for pedestrians, with children and costumed adults on the streets everywhere. That makes officers especially alert, and it also raises the stakes if any collision or near-miss occurred. A DUI that involves injury to a pedestrian can move the case toward Vehicle Code 23153, which is a more serious charge with more serious consequences. Causation matters. Whether the driving actually caused any harm is a real legal question, not an assumption. A sobriety checkpoint is not a free pass for officers to do whatever they want. A valid checkpoint must follow strict legal rules covering how it was planned, announced, and operated. On a busy Halloween night with high stop volume and a chaotic scene, procedural shortcuts are more likely, not less. The same enforcement intensity that produced the arrest can also produce defensible errors. Whatever happened on Halloween, the most time-sensitive step is the same in every California DUI arrest. You have 10 days from the date of your arrest to request a DMV hearing. Miss that window and your license suspension typically goes into effect automatically. The holiday blur makes it easy to lose track of the date, so confirm the deadline right away using the DMV hearing deadline calculator at DUI.guru before that window closes. A Halloween arrest can feel especially embarrassing, but the embarrassment is not the legal case, and several things specific to that night may actually work in your favor. I'm Joel Brand, a California DUI lawyer. This is general information, not legal advice. If you want a free written case analysis, it is at DUI.guru.